Sister Sandy be a guy. Charlie na ekose.
So Obo Medina na majesty nti Bobby I mention say.
Sister Sandy be a guy. Oh.
Hey, do you realize what the not to not on?
Oh, Nana ya say Jerry Uju and you.
Yeah, you and you. We are Sarah.
Yeah, but we are see one so.
Once. In the crowd, continue. They be make good use of the thing.
Yes. No matter the situation.
It's my men drop it.
You should be happy.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? The J Star. That's one is
oh, Kakrebi.
But I was having my passport go to America.
So.
Because what found what to do? Yeah, Nana.
From here, yeah.
Come on, see, I can't go to what? Where I mean, I can. Many coins, my men can't send back when I mean, sorry, actor watch it.
Yeah, I heard something this afternoon.
Yeah, no home fan, no cry.
But now, is it true that yes, I'm the call shrine?
And no, that means me confirm me, you know. Or me to say almost the name call a spiritual home because that's the hospital name, but means me confirm me to sa a because 1 me able some 2 me malam 3. But make sure my baby come. But if it is so, it's so sad.
Yeah.
Say, I mean, you'll be an idiot. But upon the OGD, my doctor crying now on show. To say it's a phobia free hospital.
Well,
spiritual woman.
Say, and I can say we don't know what actually happened. It might be so. Sometimes doctors never beat me because based on all the we could tell say I deal with it. And you're normal. And they sometimes
but sometimes too spiritual no more can be a herbalist. And only a bosom and only a malam. Herbalist say you're genuine. Have a new year got it have a new year from money and also so honor. Ghana for the headlines on me kwano but na entesa inti ene Ghana for gina obompire na wakai wache because some time ago no my gina yesterday now we screen so inti we wish him a very speedy recovery and we hope say we be a yama movie directors na omon feature all this for no e be better than all the chok be abranti etim so play akokra rule but na bia pa George ne we mu nyina wo ho afi omu be koi na aye issue nti no ene yama watch speedy recovery
sure
but you know what I'm saying I got to go, you know. Yeah because bisanyo mo chemi Adum TV
sure
one of our bills ya mo ye no me di buffalo ba be fa wo because more for my time I have a swamako
and actually
I actually like
I could stay with you, baby.
just cheers.
And that's a brand new one coming from Miss V. She calls this one Baby. B-A-B-Y. Loving it. Stop, yeah, B.
You, baby.
Yeah, yo.
You got it and I'll be yours.
See what?
You, my baby. Anywhere you go, I'll go.
Please help me with this birthday dedication. A happy birthday going out to Kwame Sasa Wilson of Christ the King Presbyterian Church, Sabrepo. Praying for God's blessings and favor upon your life. From your wife Lydia and their children, Amoba and sister. One time. Happy birthday going out to Rejoice Lawson of English Amanfro, an old student of Odokono SHS, and also a media student at the time into, or maybe at the same time into a filmmaking. Yeah, I think that's what you meant. Director as well as a video editor. Wishing you God's blessings and prosperity from Nana Kwantabiza. And a happy birthday also going out to Constance Obiniwa and son Mary Dakwa Bequin, Mr. Albert Sapon, all of the race congregation. August means Momo is back. Oh, it's a free Saturday. I'll copy him the end of September. I can't remember the amount. So, bet me we need 10,000 Ghana cedis just by paying with your Momo QR code or merchant ID. Very easy. What the Okoye shopping now up to pay with Momo. What you say QR code now as a merchant ID.